So I'm finishing up a review, and I started looking at the news of someone by the name of Marcus Jordan. Yes, yes, Marcus Jordan. You know, sometimes I just say to myself, dude, some people have a blessing that they just don't know how to, I don't know how to handle it, how to take care of it. Is it so much money that you just cannot control your life? Or is it that you just cannot control yourself, period, in life? I don't understand this. This dude is from problem to problem to problem. I have already said this. I did the video on Marcus Jordy. When I'm not editing this. I don't give a crap. Marcus Jordan, when they caught him thinking that he was Tony Minitana, I did that already. I did the video on it. Powdered up, boy. All the way through. No holds barred. But it's just not that. It's another one and another one. And now he gets arrested for DUI. Dude, yeah, I'm telling you, man, the level, you can never get rid of the stupidity in certain individuals in this world. It ain't gonna happen. And why am I even doing this video? For the simple fact of sometimes you just can blind yourself with certain things that you see in your face, the evidence is in your face, and then they want to defend themselves like they're innocent. No. It doesn't work like that. Dude gets caught on a DUI. With all the money that you have, dude, with all the money that this individual has, he has to be driving under the influence. Not to say something else. Yeah. God knows what else was in the systems. I'm talking about that's how you get caught. And then to top it off, what do? You start throwing your dad's name around. Yo, I'm the son of Michael. MJ, baby, the GOAT. Do you possibly think that's going to get you? And it's the other way. You should have kept your mouth shut and not even mention your old man in that situation right there. Because you are a disgrace to the Jordan legacy. You have single-handedly, I said this in the last video, single-handedly destroying the reputation of what your father has built. You don't think it's like that? You don't think it's like that? Let me just, maybe you guys don't have kids. Well, put yourself in this scenario. Just imagine you build an empire, an amazing empire, and you have a child that just cannot get off nonsense. That's a drug abuser, always drunk out of his mind, catching him on DUIs, the paparazzi on him, with so much money. So these are things right now that come to my mind. Could it be that it's just so much money that you get bored of life? That you just gotta get into something that you're not supposed to get into? Or is it that you're just a major a-hole? I can't cuss that much, guys. Monetization, they're not allowed. So, it has to be one of these two. But I bet you there's somebody behind this camera right now that defends that. That defends it. Oh, bro, it's just having fun, bro. Shut up. Shut up, bro. Honestly, shut up. You're talking about a man that has everything in his hands, but he cannot control his tingling sensations. He just can't do it. It's one thing after another. He's the only person that I've mentioned that does business with his own father and backdoors his own products. Dude, I'm sorry to say, that's a whole different level of stupidity. The stupidity level is out of control. Out of control. So I'm not telling anybody over here. I don't tell nobody to do nothing. I'm just speaking my mind on this situation. And a lot of people ain't talking about it. You don't see Stephen A. Smith. You don't see any of these cats talking about it. Oh, but I do. And I'm going to say it. The level of stupidity that individual has, because I'm going to start calling him individual. I'm not even going to put the Jordan name on it. Individual has is the prime definition of how one person could destroy his reputation real quick and a whole legacy that his father has created. And I tell you this because I got in messages. Yo, what an embarrassment for Jordan, bro. Yo, bro, this is incredible what's happening. This guy's an embarrassment. Yo, and Jordan, bro, he doesn't even say a word about it. What is he going to do? He's going to go against his own son? I understand that aspect. He cannot go against his son. He got to start talking bad about his kid out there and be like, yo, you know what, bro? That's your problem. No, he's doing what an old man does, bro. He's doing what a father does. He's going to defend his kid. But dude, that right there, obviously, the kid doesn't care about his old man's reputation. So you start thinking about this. Does the father have to care about his reputation? When you're single-handedly destroying the legacy? It's hard. MJ is one of the smartest human beings there is in all the industry of sports, branding. The guy is a mastermind. He knows what to touch and not to touch. He knows what to speak about, what not to speak about. That's why the man is still the leader in selling. It is what it is, because he knows how to. He don't push for one side, he don't push for another. The day, and I'm saying it right now, the day that MJ picks a side and has a favoritism with something, is the end of what you know of MJ. Mark my words. Mark my words. You might say, nah, Primo, bro, you crazy. That ain't never gonna happen. Mark my words. I've said it. I am loyal to Jordan Brand 100%. One slip up of something that I don't agree with, it's over. And that goes for a lot of other people. Remember what I'm saying now. Mark my words. So MJ, keep an eye open on your kid and keep an eye open in what the big industry probably gets you involved in. It might just backfire. Till next time, everybody, I'm always wishing you the best, and I love you all. Peace. Whoosh.